guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making the video of chocolate milkshake. Why I'm making so much video on milkshake and that is smoothie? But I love these things and this recipe is my favorite. You should try it. It needs only 3 ingredients. So the ingredients are mixing grinder and vanilla essence. Vanilla essence, it's optional, and serving glass, you can serve in any glass. Yes. Milk above to how much you want, and I'm using different chocolates that I have in my home. So let's go into the video. So the first ingredient you will put is milk. Put it from upside. I don't have a space for my cabinet, so I'm putting it from here. And you must see that it's not falling down. And the next ingredient is vanilla essence. I told you it's optional. First, I think I will grind these things. No, sorry, I do it by mistake actually. So I'm putting some chocolates. Kit Kat is my obviously favorite. Let me bite it a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now everything is done. Like this. It smells tasty. Oh my god. Just love it. You can see it's little brown. Let me taste it. Tell you guys how it is. Yum. It's so tasty, you must try it. You should taste it once a time. Do you want to taste? Here you go. So it's tell me in comments, do you like it or not? And so do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and also share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.